Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can block emails in Outlook. So firstly, open up your Outlook account. Now there are multiple ways how you can actually block an email. So let me show you how. So firstly, open up the email that you want to block. Let's say for example I want to block this email from freelancers.com. Just click on that. The first way is by clicking on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Then just hover on junks. Then click on block sender. And then it will block the email from ever receiving in your inbox and will automatically forward into your junk box. So this is one way of blocking an email. Now let me show you two more ways how you can do this. So the other method is by going to the delete button and clicking the drop down icon. Then you can click on ignore. By doing so, just like the junk way, it will automatically forward all the emails of this particular user to your trash bin and will not be shown in your inbox. So this was the second way. And the third way is by going on move and clicking the drop down icon and then click on always move messages. Then you can choose a folder or just create a new folder. Then you can move all the emails of this particular user into that folder which you already have or mails that you may receive in future. So these were the three ways how you can block a sender in Outlook. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.